Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome back your own channel. I'm so excited to share something truly magical with you. We're on the brink of a monumental day, July 24th, 2024. Now, this isn't just any date on the calendar. It's a cosmic portal, a gateway to unlocking your deepest desires. Hold on to your hats, because the numerology behind this date is mind-blowing. You see, numerology is the ancient practice of understanding the mystical significance of numbers. It's like a cosmic language, where numbers vibrate with specific energies. And trust me, the numbers surrounding July 24th are singing a symphony of manifestation. Breaking it down, we see the number 7, representing spiritual awakening and inner wisdom. The number 2 appears twice, symbolizing balance, partnerships, and duality. And the number 4, representing stability, foundations, and the elements. But wait, it gets even more interesting. When combined, these numbers create a powerful angel number sequence, 24,724. Angel numbers are messages from the divine, guiding us on our path. And this particular sequence speaks of infinite possibilities, the power of manifestation, and aligning with your true purpose. You might remember other dates with powerful manifestations, like the iconic 11-11-11. Countless individuals reported experiencing life-changing shifts during that time. And guess what? July 24th, 2024 holds even more potential. It's like the universe is saying, hey, remember how amazing things were back then? Get ready, because we're doing it again, but on a whole new level. Adding another layer of cosmic energy to this day, we just experienced the buck moon on July 21st. This lunar phase is all about shedding old patterns and embracing abundance. Its energy lingers, amplifying the manifestation power of July 24th. It's like the universe is giving us a head start, a boost to our intention. So, my friends, buckle up, because this isn't just another Wednesday. This is your cosmic invitation, a chance to step into your power and manifest your wildest dreams. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the numerology, share manifestation techniques, and prepare you to harness the incredible energy of this day. Get ready to transform your life and step into the magic that awaits. Now, let's dive deeper into the numerological magic of 24,724. Remember, numerology isn't just about numbers. It's about vibrations, energies, and the cosmic language of the universe. First, we have the number 2, appearing not once, but twice in this sequence. This doubles down on its energy of duality, balance, and partnerships. It's a reminder that we are not alone on this journey. We have partners, whether they be friends, family, romantic partners, or even the universe itself, supporting us and helping us maintain equilibrium. Next, the number 4, a symbol of stability, foundations, and practicality. This number reminds us to ground ourselves, to build a solid base for our dreams to flourish. It's about taking practical steps toward our goals, ensuring that our manifestations have a strong foundation to stand on. The number 7, the mystical and spiritual number, brings a touch of magic to the sequence. It represents intuition, inner wisdom, and a deep connection to the divine. This number urges us to trust our gut feelings, listen to the whispers of our souls, and embrace the spiritual aspect of our being. When we combine these numbers into 24, it creates a harmonious blend of energies. It signifies a balance between the spiritual and the practical, fostering an environment where abundance and manifestation can thrive. This number encourages us to use our intuition and spiritual connection to guide our actions, ensuring that our dreams are aligned with our higher purpose. Now, let's talk about the angelic connection. In numerology, the repeating sequence of 24,724 is considered an angel number. Angel numbers are believed to be messages from the divine, guiding and supporting us on our path. This particular sequence carries a powerful message of trust, encouragement, and reassurance. The angels are telling us to trust the universe, trust ourselves, and trust the journey we are on. They are reminding us that we are never alone, that we are always surrounded by their love and guidance. This number sequence is like a gentle nudge from the angels, saying, "Keep going, you're on the right track. We've got your back." The number 24,724 also resonates with the energy of manifestation and abundance. It's a reminder that we have the power to create the life we desire. By aligning ourselves with the vibrations of this number, we open ourselves up to the infinite possibilities that the universe has in store for us. So, as we approach July 24th, 2024, embrace the energy of this powerful number sequence. Trust the guidance of the angels. Tap into your intuition and take practical steps towards your dream. Remember, this is a time of balance, a time to bridge the gap between the spiritual and the practical. Before we prepare for this incredible manifestation portal on July 24th, let's tap into some ancient wisdom and harness the protective energy of garlic. Garlic has been revered throughout history and across various cultures for its potent properties. It's known for its ability to ward off negativity, purify spaces, and remove obstacles. In many traditions, garlic is seen as a symbol of protection. It's believed to repel evil spirits, vampires, and negative energy. Garlic is also associated with purification, cleansing both physical and energetic spaces. It can be used to clear away stagnant energy, making room for new, positive vibrations. Additionally, garlic is known for its ability to remove obstacles and break through barriers. It can help us overcome challenges and move forward on our path. For our July 24th manifestation ritual, we'll use garlic to create a sacred space, clear away any negativity, and amplify our intention. Here's what you'll need. Fresh garlic cloves. Choose an odd number of cloves, such as 3, 5, or 7. Odd numbers are often associated with magic and manifestation. White candle. White represents purity, protection, and new beginnings. A small bowl or plate. This will hold your garlic cloves. Moon water. If you were able to collect moon water during the July 21st full moon, you can incorporate it into this ritual for an added boost of lunar energy. To set the mood, create a calming atmosphere. Dim the lights, light your white candle, and put on some relaxing music that resonates with you. This will help you center yourself and prepare for the ritual. As you gather your material, reflect on the intentions you want to manifest on July 24th. What are your deepest desires? What do you want to call into your life? Write them down and keep them close as we continue on this transformative journey together. Friends, it's time to delve into the heart of our garlic manifestation ritual. This simple yet powerful practice will help us harness the protective and transformative energy of garlic as we approach the 24,724 portal. Step 1. Light the candle and set your intention. In the quiet of your sacred space, gently light the white candle. This pure flame symbolizes new beginnings, illumination, and the cleansing of your path. As the wick catches fire, focus your mind on the intention you've set for this ritual. Envision the life you desire, the dreams you want to manifest, and the obstacles you wish to overcome. Allow the candle's warmth to fill you with a sense of hope and possibility, igniting your desires from within. Step 2. Peel the garlic cloves. Now, take your fresh garlic cloves one at a time and begin the process of peeling. Each clove represents a layer of negativity, fear, or doubt that may be holding you back. With each peel, visualize yourself shedding these burdens, leaving behind a pure and vibrant energy. Inhale the pungent aroma of the garlic, knowing that it's actively purifying your space and intentions, making way for new growth. Step 3. Place the cloves and surround with moon water. Once you have peeled all the cloves, arrange them artfully on your small bowl or plate. If you were fortunate enough to collect moon water during the July 21st full moon, now is the time to incorporate its magic. Gently pour a small amount of the moon water around the garlic clove. This lunar infusion enhances the ritual's potency, connecting you to the cycles of the moon and amplifying your intentions. Step 4. Chant affirmations or prayers. This is the moment to imbue the ritual with your personal energy and desires. Begin chanting affirmations or prayers that resonate deeply with you. Feel free to create your own or draw inspiration from these examples. I am open to receiving abundance in all forms. I release all negativity and welcome positive energy into my life. I trust the universe to guide me towards my highest good. I am worthy of manifesting my dreams. On this July 24th portal, I manifest my desires with ease and grace. Repeat these affirmations or prayers multiple times, allowing the words to vibrate within your being. Visualize your intentions as you speak, merging the energy of your voice with the garlic's protective power. Feel the shift in the atmosphere as your words create a ripple of positive energy. Step 5. Leave the garlic offering overnight. With your intentions set and your energy amplified, place the bowl or plate with the garlic and moon water in a safe and sacred space. Leave it undisturbed overnight, allowing the garlic to absorb the potent energies of the July 24th portal. As the hours pass, the garlic will continue to work its magic, clearing away obstacles and paving the way for your manifestations. As you leave the offering, trust in the process and surrender to the flow of the universe. Know that your intentions have been heard and that the garlic is acting as a guardian, protecting your energy and clearing a path for your dreams to materialize. To make this ritual even more personal and powerful, consider incorporating elements that hold special meaning for you. You could place crystals around the garlic, such as clear quartz for amplification or amethyst for spiritual protection. If you don't have moon water, you can use regular water with a pinch of salt, known for its cleansing and protective properties. Remember, the most crucial element of this ritual is your intention. Focus on what you truly desire and believe in the power of your thoughts and actions. The universe is responding to your energy, so approach this ritual with an open heart and unwavering faith. Beautiful souls, as we come to the end of this journey into the realm of manifestation and the power of the garlic ritual, I hope you feel a sense of empowerment and excitement for what July 24th holds. Remember, this is just the beginning. The energy of this portal is a catalyst, an invitation to step into your full potential and create the life you've always dreamed of. As the garlic offering rests overnight, absorbing the potent energies of the cosmos, take this time to nurture your intentions and visualize your desires. Trust in the process, believe in yourself, and know that the universe is conspiring in your favor. The garlic, with its protective and purifying properties, is working diligently to clear away obstacles and create a clear path for your manifestation. It's a symbol of strength, resilience, and the power to overcome challenges. Embrace this energy and allow it to infuse your being. Remember, manifestation is not just about wishing and hoping. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. It's about taking inspired action, trusting your intuition, and believing in the magic that resides within you. So, as you move forward on this journey, continue to nurture your intentions, visualize your goals, and take practical steps towards your dream. The universe is responding to your energy, and the possibilities are endless. Before we part ways, I encourage you to share your experience with the garlic ritual in the comments below. Let us know how it felt, what insights you gained, and how you're feeling as you approach July 24th. Remember, we are all connected, and sharing our experiences can empower and inspire others on their own journey. If you found this video helpful and resonated with the message, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and loved ones. By spreading the word, you're helping others to discover the magic of manifestation and the power of their own intentions. And if you're new to this channel and you want to stay connected with our community of like-minded souls, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have so much more in store for you, including guided meditations, manifestation techniques, and spiritual insights to support you on your journey. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the garlic ritual and the manifestation portal of July 24th. Remember, you are a powerful creator, and the universe is ready to co-create magic with you. So go forth, embrace your power, and manifest your dreams.